Hello! Thank you for pre-registering for Game of Apps Season 5. I hope you had a great summer and got some well-needed rest. As you may know, this will be our 5th year running Game of Apps, and we've had over 500 students take advantage of this unique and exciting program. Based on our past learnings, we've made some adjustments to the program. The big one is the launch of our middle years program for students from grades 6 through 9. We're using Swift Playgrounds, and the material is aligned with the BC Ministry of Education's ADST curriculum. The sessions will be on Thursdays 4 p.m. to 5:15 p.m., and students will attend the classes online from home. Optionally, around the March timeframe, some students may wish to enter Apple's Swift Student Challenge. If so, then we will work with these students to help them complete and submit their entries to Apple. Every year, Apple has selected a few students to highlight their submissions. The students win a bunch of prizes from Apple, and at least during the pre-pandemic years, these students were invited to attend Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference in the Bay Area. Our long-term plan for the courses are as follows. There are 3 levels to the middle years program. This season, we are offering Level 1, but next year we will add Level 2 for those who have already completed Level 1. Then the year after that, we will add Level 3. If you happen to be grade 9 this year and take Level 1, when you enter grade 10 next year, you may skip Levels 2 and 3 and go directly to the Seniors program. The structure of the Seniors program is such that students can take it again in grades 11 and 12. The more experienced students can take leadership roles within their school teams and increase their school's chances of winning the provincial title. Registrations are now open, and the program will start in mid-October and go all the way to April. With your pre-registration, you will qualify for an early bird discount, as long as you complete your registration before October 4th. You may register now through our iOS app. Our Android app will be updated soon to allow registrations as well. If you know other students or their parents who may be interested in joining, please let them know ASAP. You will get a rebate off your registration fee for every student you refer that signs up. So technically, if you refer enough students, you may be able to register for free. Please feel free to reach out to me via email or via one of our social media channels. We look forward to working with you this season. Have a great day.